Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cornstarch or other additives are used in commercial products, so homemade may not taste the same as store-bought. If the sugar's flavor doesn't match what you need, try adding 1 to 1 1/4 tablespoons of cornstarch for each cup of sugar. 1 April 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Generally, it's recommended to use 1 cup of granulated sugar for 1 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. A more accurate and easier way to substitute the sugars is based on weight, not volume. If a recipe calls for 1 cup of powdered sugar, 4 ounces, or 113 grams, you should use 4 ounces of granulated sugar. 24 August 2020.
Take our lead.
Pantry pointers. There's no need to run to the store if you're out of brown sugar. You can substitute 1 cup granulated sugar or 2 cups sifted confectioners sugar for 1 cup brown sugar. It's important to sift the confectioners sugar before measuring to make an equal substitution. The 23rd of February 2006.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.